When people need power, we step up. We are ExpertPower. Headquartered in Paramount, California, we sell a wide range of batteries, from lead-acid to lithium-ion, as well as inverter chargers, solar panels, and much more. Our sealed lead-acid batteries have been the backbone of this business for years. Our general-use batteries are meant to flexibly slot into most everyday power requirements. Their rugged ABS plastic casing can take a beating, and they can be discharged in almost any position due to their valve-regulated design. They require no special handling when shipping, are safe for limited ventilation areas, and provide reliable power output. They come in 6 or 12-volt versions with between 1.3 and 50 amp-hour capacity. Our Deep Cycle series is built to handle the strain of being discharged hundreds of times, have a greater energy carrying capacity, and can more easily recharge if they're deeply drained. They're built for longevity above all else. Proven VRLA technology gives the batteries a non-restricted article status for transportation and offers safe operation with almost zero maintenance required. The Deep Cycle batteries are 12 volts with up to 200 amp-hour capacity in regular lead-acid and gel varieties. Our Power Sport series is meant for generators, motorbikes, ATVs, and other vehicles with strenuous startup crank sequences and are perfect for off-road adventuring. Don't forget to buy a charger to go along with them. Our 12-volt chargers come in 1, 4, 10, and 20 amp varieties. Additionally, we sell replacement batteries for most power tool brands and DJI drones, along with their accessories. Advancements in engineering have led to the development of our lithium iron phosphate batteries, which outperform typical lead-acid batteries. While an SLA might typically have 200 to 300 charging cycles over the course of its life, our lithium batteries can last up to 2,500 cycles, while being about 1/3 the weight. With up to 48 volts and 200 amp-hour capacity, these batteries are a fantastic way to store the power you need. Additionally, you can buy these products with built-in Bluetooth cell-by-cell monitoring systems to track your battery's voltage and temperature so you can better protect them from harm. If your project needs it, we also sell the individual industry-leading A+ grade prismatic cells used in our lithium batteries. They come in capacities of up to 304 amp hours. And once again, don't forget your charger. If you ever need to convert direct current into alternating current, our premium quality sine wave inverters get the job done. The CPU can monitor and halt dangerous power surges or other conditions that might overload, overcharge, overheat, over-discharge, or short-circuit your system. The voltage comes in 12, 24, and 48 and can handle maximum loads between 2 and 10 kilowatts. Our solar kits come in a variety of sizes for all your needs and are the complete package when it comes to solar power. The kits come with 1 or more panels, cables, and a solar charge controller to relay the electricity to different outputs. Our 12 and 24 volt kits come in a variety of capacities with optional mounting equipment, the necessary cables, and options for alternator charging. We have plans to further expand to 48 volt kits, so stay tuned. For more control, the individual components are available for purchase as well, with panel wattages up to 410, available with flexible panel varieties. Our great quality goods are produced by 3 factories, staffed by over 2,000 workers. Our stock is sold across the globe. Whether you're a professional, thrill seeker, off-grid adventurer, or just someone in need of power, we have what you need. Let us power your world at ExpertPower.